Luke, I'm coming to you with an opportunity to serve your church family. Will you call Sandy Helton in the office, 458-2241, and get your name on a list to be an usher? We need ushers desperately. Will you join us, Luke?
I'll never join you!
Well, that's just silly, Luke. Think about it. If enough people signed up, it wouldn't be that much of a commitment. In fact, if enough people signed up, you'd only need to do it once or twice a year.
It's not true. That's impossible!
Actually, Luke, it's quite possible. All you need to do is do the math.
No! No!
Well, now I think you're just being silly, Luke. Think about it. It's called a church service, Luke, meaning you show up and you serve. Here's an opportunity. It doesn't take much. All you need to do is call Sandy Helton, 458-2241. Wait, what are you looking at? What are you looking? You don't need to jump, Luke. I mean, it's not that big a deal. But it would be great if you volunteer. I mean, come on, really? Oh, that's ridiculous. Don't be like Luke. Stand up and volunteer. We need you. Join us. Call Sandy Helton this week. 458-2241. Join us, and we will be complete.